I'm getting ready to do a road trip up to see my daughter that I do as often as I can to go see my grandson and my daughter in Central Point, Oregon. And I'm leaving North Las Vegas. I can't take the 95 up there and go through Reno because the infrastructure is not there. So I have to take the 15 south, cut over on the 58 and catch the 5 and take that all the way up. That is what I'm averaging in the city. 4.1 miles per kilowatt hour. And I am always in sport mode when I'm driving in the city. I turned it off because I'm getting ready to get on the freeway. So that is roughly 270 miles I get in the city in sport mode. And I drive pretty aggressive because it's fun. So I'm going to reset this. And we'll see what I get on. This drive is not a flat drive. I am at 1,843 feet. We're going to be going through the Baker grade. I think that gets up to 4,700, 4,800 feet, and then Baker is just under 1,000 feet. So it's up and down, and we'll see what I get. My road trip is over. I averaged 3.2 miles per kilowatt hour on an 887 mile journey from Las Vegas up to Central Point, Oregon. 15 to the 58 and the 5 up north. And I had a strong headwind as soon as I hit the 5. I was averaging 3.4 and then it dropped down. The way I drove was probably the way you would drive in a combustible engine, relatively conservative. The 65 mile an hour zones, I was going 70, 72. The 70 mile an hour zones, I was going 72, 73. The 55 mile an hour zones, I was going 60, 65. That's about it. So roughly 210 miles on the freeway and 270-ish in the city. But like I said, I drive pretty aggressive in the city, and I'm actually getting better on the freeway. I was averaging 2.9, 3.0, but I'm getting a little bit better. I stopped doing the aggressive accelerations a lot. That was killing my battery and my average. So these are the results that I am finding from the new battery pack installed in my 2017 Premier.